Yashaswini comments to page. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud of
its rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, a long life, my happiness. Jai. Happy morning to everyone. Today's news is brought to you by Sarvina Vaishnav of Grade IX Sapphire International News. Houthi drone hits Israel Ramon International Airport, causing temporary airspace shutdown and flight diversion. Almost 900 arrested in London during protests supporting the banned group. Demonstrations deemed illegal by authorities. National news. Arrested linked in placement of a national emblem in SAG shrine highlighting sensitivities. Vice President candidate B. Sudarshan Reddy urged MPs to vote for the soul of India. That's the end of today's news. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Good morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Envikas of Grade IX Sapphire. Word slide. It means thin and small. Friends, please spell after me. SLI. GHT. Slide. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's news is brought to you by Ashta from Grade IX Sapphire. State news. Urgent urea supply request to center amid shortage. New measures to streamline aid distribution. Sports news. Asia Cup hockey from strength to strength. Historic hockey theorem. India wins Asia Cup after 8 years. Cricket most intense rivalry returns. India versus Pakistan. That's the end of today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Uday from Grade IX Sapphire. Thought. Never cry for a person who was you. Just smile and say thank you for giving me to change to find someone better than you. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's weather report brought to you by Sandeep from Grade IX Sapphire. Weather report. Maximum temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Precipitation is 10%. Humidity 75%. Wind speed is 13 kilometers per hour. Thank you. This is the end of the weather report.
Happy morning to one and all present here. Myself, B. Narendra of Grade IX Sapphire, brought you GK questions. Question for Grade 7. When is the World's Animal Day celebrated? I repeat my question. When is World Animal Day celebrated? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is October 4. Question for Grade 8. When is the World Teachers Day celebrated? I repeat my question. When is the World Teachers Day celebrated? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is October 5th. Question for Grade 9. Who has written the book Economist Gandhi? I repeat my question. Who has written the book Economist Gandhi? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Jaitirth Rao. Question for Grade 10. Which state has won the E-Panchayat Award in 2021? I repeat my question. Which state has won the E-Panchayat Award in 2021? No, you did not pick the right